bw'abadde alabiseeko eri akakiiko ka UNRA Commission akakulirwa omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire eyali munnamateeka w'ekitongole kya UNRA Marvin Byaryaruha atuyanidde mu kakiiko bwe kabadde nga kamukunya.
You confirm that you are actually incapable of recognizing simple legal issues that were important in such a contract?
Which simple legal issues now? Which one is here?
Have you ever been in a court of law?
Marvin eyasoose okwogera nga abalaata omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire amwambalidde n'amulagira bunnambira okukyusa mu nneeyisaaye.
This is an inquiry. This is not I don't know what you measure. This is an inquiry, okay?
Yes, my lord.
And everything we're doing leads to an inquiry. We are not even a court of law that we are going to make a decision. We're actually inquiring. We are investigating and inquiring. So all our questions are investigatory, they are inquisitory, they are inquiring. You have one obligation to this commission to answer.
Bw'asabiddwa okwanja ebyobugagga bwe wano wavuddewo kalumannyera era Marvin ayanjizzaako bya lubatu wano ssentebe w'akakiiko wamuteeredde ku nninga n'amulaga ebyobugagga akakiiko bye kabadde kamanyi nti bibye naye n'abyegaana.
Would it be right to suggest that you actually stayed in UNRA not because you were mistreated, sidelined, advice not taken, but because you actually became a fat cat?
No, that wouldn't be right at all, my lord.
Isn't it true that it is your advice that has actually caused the biggest loss to UNRA? That's your particular legal advice to the ministers, to the directors, to the executive directors that has caused the biggest loss to UNRA. Is that true or not?
It's not true, my lord.
Isn't
mu kakiiko ke kamu Marvin ategeezezza nga kontrakita bwe zaakolebwanga gadibe engalye nga n'abakozi abaweebwanga emirimu baalinga tebasaanidde. Ono ategeezezza ng'ekitongole bwe yakiwabulanga mu by'amateeka naye ebiragiro bye ne bisuulibwanga mu kasero. Kizuuliddwa ng'emirundi mingi Marvin bw'ataakolanga mirimu gye ekyaviirako ekitongole okufiirwa obutitimbe bw'ensimbi.
Education was removed, contract administration was removed, and with your permission, my lord, I would like to quote a particular sentence here. Legal counsel to be consulted and involved in the administration of civil engineering contracts only when they get into difficulty and not as a matter of course.
Andrew Kagwa, WBS TV, Kampala.